POV, your nails look like yesterday's leftovers. Ever looked at your hands and thought, oof, tragic? Why do my nails scream plain oatmeal? Meanwhile, everyone else is flexing holographic claws. Me at the party, hiding my hands like a secret agent. Friend, show me your nails. Me. Nervous sweating. But wait, plot twist incoming. Introducing my not-so-secret weapon, the Holographic Nail Art Kits, aka Sparkle Level, 9,000. 6 boxes of pure unfiltered dazzle. Each box 4 centimeters of concentrated glam. Glitter so shiny even magpies get jealous. Vintage colors for that I'm fancy vibe. And yes, it's VVS, very, very shiny. How to use. Even my cat could do it. Step 1, prep nails with UV base coat. Step 2, paint your fav color, cure it. Step 3, apply UV gel but don't full dry. Step 4, sprinkle that glitter magic. Step 5, slap on some shiny oil. Step 6, cure again like a pro chef. Step 7, seal with top coat, cure done. Pro tip, double up for extra drama. Worried about chemicals? Chill, eco-friendly and safe. No weird smells, no weird looks from grandma. Shines in every light, sun, moon, disco ball. Perfect for nail art crafts or your dog's collar. Gift idea for mom, wife, BFF, or yourself. Nail salon at home, no appointment needed. Each box weighs just 1 G, lighter than my motivation. 6 size flakes, science says, more sparkle. Storage, easy. Lost, never. Organized, always. It's not just for nails, decorate phone cases, cards, eyes. Yes, I said eyes, go wild, but like safely. Any questions? They reply faster than my ex. 6 colors hold infinite possibilities. Why settle for basic when you can be a disco ball? Still using boring polish? That's so 2008. Upgrade your nails, upgrade your life. Warning, may cause excessive compliments. Get yours before your friends steal your style. Holographic Nail Art Kits, because plain is cancelled. Click now, sparkle later. Your nails will thank you.